Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's a really exciting day because I am flying to Spain to do my archaeological dig that I've been talking about for months. So yeah, that's today. My flight is at 3:15. It's currently I think like 12:15. So I'm going very shortly. Just gonna have some lunch before I go. I've checked the weather forecast and the weather for Murcia is 31 degrees every day and full sun. It's gonna be dreamy, I'm gonna get a tan, and I'm gonna hopefully find some Neanderthal skeletons.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
My flight landed around 7:30 in the evening and didn't get to like base camp place until around 10. We stayed in a school, and this is the school. It's just a small village school. There was no aircon, so that was hard. Good morning everyone. It's my first morning in Spain. It is currently 20 to 8, but at home it would be 20 to 7. It's already so hot, and we're just about to go for breakfast in like a village hall thing. And then we're gonna go up the mountain because the site is up a mountain.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Worth more than my It's so hot right now. Basically, we finished digging for the day, finished the excavation. We're just looking swell up down the hill. It's so hot. It's now 2:30 PM and we have a designated nap time on the schedule. Good morning, world. In the afternoon we go back to the lab, which is in the school, and we sort the finds. We put them into small mammal, big mammal, burn and unburn, and as you can see on the table we've got different boxes, which is how we're sorting them, and we're also cleaning them and making sure that there's nothing that's more important than we thought it was initially in there. We had breakfast with the mayor of Torre Pacheco, and they thanked us for doing our work and basically told us that we'd brought tourism to the area and stuff like that, and it was really nice. We alternate the days between digging and sieving, and at the sieves we basically take all of the waste topsoil from the previous day, which people have put into their specific buckets, so we know exactly which square they've been working on, but we have to double check to make sure that they've not missed anything. So we sieve through this break apart the rocks, see if there's anything in them, and this is what we're doing now with the hose pipe and everything. And yeah, then it goes to the lab and we sort some more.
Several days later.
Good afternoon, everyone. I don't know how many days it's been since I filmed, but I'm back. Today we've just been sieving and sorting, and now I'm going to the shop to get some snacks to watch a film outside on the bench.
The next day.
Buenos dias, everybody. It is the morning. Today is our day off. It is a Thursday, and I'm just gonna do a little workout before it gets too hot because it's already 29 degrees and it's 8:30. I've run out of time, so I need to go and get a shower because we are leaving for the beach at 10 and it's now 9:20 and I don't want to go looking like this. So let's go shower.
Next morning.
Disgusting!
Several song-filled hours later.
Merkelson, and he was with me in the lab just cleaning. In that year I didn't went to the.
This is a skull of a Neanderthal who is called Paloma, and she's actually like archaeologically known as SP96, but she was found at the site about 20 years ago and was pretty much fully articulated, which is really exciting and also really rare. The skull of a child Neanderthal was also found a few years ago, and it was buried right next to some articulated leopard feet, which, you know, bit weird, but might show that they had some form of burial practice, which is all very exciting. In order to estimate age from the length of long bones, generally you use a regression formula based upon the average growth pattern. So my key findings, basically accuracy of aging was significantly lower using the Petunian bed sheet compared to the others, which was expected. You just look like you're glowing out of your face. Good morning, everyone. It is a Sunday and it is my final full day here in Spain, which is sad because everyone's really nice and I've really enjoyed myself, but it is so hot without aircon that I'm really also very excited to go home to slightly colder weather, which I didn't think I'd say. Today is a day off because it is the Sima de las Palomas open day, which means it's like basically everyone can go and visit the site and see what's going on. So there's no space for us in there to dig. So we've just got a free day to do whatever, so I've packed already this morning. We also
went out to like a beach club last night, so I've had a lay-in. It's another beautiful hot day. No wind today though, so it's gonna feel even hotter. Definitely pool weather.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, it is my last day here and I'm just having one last time at the Sibs and then I'm gonna have to go. So sad.